Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set delayed start in the oven Whirlpool OMK. So in the first step you have to select your heating method, then set the time, how long you want to cook something, click on the time, and now you have to click on the time again until you see the flag icon. Now you can set when the cooking should start. So now it should start in the 1 and 6 minutes. To activate this function you have to set the temperature bar, the knob, and as you can see now we have a delayed start. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.